Hi folks, Brent here. Today I'm going to be talking about geometry, the first series of geometry videos. Today I'm going to be talking about lines and angles. So first I'd like to start with some definitions about lines. The first of which being horizontal. Now think about the word horizon in the word horizontal. That really helps depict what a horizontal line is. Just like the horizon, it goes left to right. I'm going to put a little sun there just to kind of make it nice and colorful and happy, and yeah, makes the math a little fun. So horizon, just a flat line left to right. So next up we have vertical. A vertical line is the opposite of a horizontal line. So a vertical line goes up and down just like that. We also have parallel lines. So I like to look at the two L's that are in parallel, and they form the two lines. That's kind of how I remember this one. Now that one's not a very good parallel line. It should look something like this, just kind of running the same distance, and these two lines are never going to intersect. Now they don't have to be straight up and down. They can be over kind of on an angle like this, or any combination or any angles, as long as they're going in the same direction. Next up we have point of intersection. So when two lines cross, just kind of like this, we have what's called a point of intersection. So that's just where these two lines meet. They're going to meet right here, and I'm just going to put a little dot to indicate exactly where they meet. Perpendicular is the opposite of parallel. So we have two lines that intersect one another, just like this, and they intersect one another at a right angle. So just like a block in the city, one street going this way, one street going across it. If it's a well-designed city, they're going to cross each other at a right angle. We also have vertex. So a vertex is any corner in lines. So in a triangle, for example, it has 1, 2, 3 vertices. And vertices is just the plural form of vertex. In a square or a rectangle, we're going to have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, or 4 vertices. Okay, changing gears a little bit, we are into angles. So the first angle I'm going to talk about is a right angle, and that's kind of like those two perpendicular lines, the corner of the city block. And this little square right here means that it's a right angle. Right angles have 90 degrees. Next up we have acute. Now I like to remember this by the word cute. In acute, it is just a small angle like that. How small? Well, anything that is less than 90 degrees. So something like 35 degrees, we would call that an acute angle. Obtuse angles are kind of the opposite of acute angles. They are, I'm just going to draw my 90-degree mark, they are anything that is more than 90 degrees. So something like 110 degrees, that angle there would be an obtuse angle. We also have what they like to call a straight angle. Now this is really just a straight line, and I'm just going to put that there, and this indicating that it is an angle. In a straight line, well, first let's think about a circle, or turning yourself completely around. That would be 360 degrees. So how much would half of that be? 180 degrees. So in a straight angle, we're going to be looking for something that is 180 degrees or a straight line. Now, last one we have is the reflex angle. Now, this is an angle. Normally, we'd be measuring this side of an angle, but a reflex angle, we're actually measuring the opposite side of it. So we're going to be over here measuring this side of it. All right, that's the end of lines and angles. Hopefully, I'll get another video up here soon and continue talking about geometry. All right, see you next time.